Hi, this is Emma, back with more writing, and before we really get into the meat of our next series, which will be on AP Language and Composition, I want to give a quick overview of the basic structure of the AP Language and Composition test, the AP. So the AP Language and Composition test is broken into two parts, multiple choice and free response. Your final score is going to combine these two sections and is graded on an overall scale of 1 through 5, 5 being the highest possible score and 1 being the lowest. And actually I think that you can get lower because I've heard that you can get a star or something, which is really counterintuitive because, stars normally mean good things, but I guess not in this case. Really, it's not that important because ultimately you are going to be given a grade on a scale of 1 through 5 and you're going to be aiming for the 5. The first part of the test is multiple choice. You're going to have 1 hour to complete 55 multiple choice questions, and this entire multiple choice section is going to be worth 45% of your overall AP language grade. Next is the section that we're going to be discussing in our upcoming videos, the free response section. You are going to have 3 essays, or FRQs, free response questions, within this section. Essays are graded on a scale of 1 to 9. The 8s and 9s end up translating to 5s on that overall scale, 6s and 7s to 4s, and so on and so forth. Now keep in mind that a 9 on one essay does not necessarily guarantee you a 5 on an overall scale. It just means that if you had 3 9 essays, that would give you a 5 in the FRQ section of the AP. You are going to have 2 hours and 15 minutes to write these 3 essays. However, 15 minutes are mandatory reading, meant for the synthesis part, so really you have 2 hours designated for writing these 3 essays. This comes out to about 40 minutes per essay, more or less. Sometimes your essays are going to take 50 minutes, sometimes they might take 30. It's just based on the ease with which you grasp the prompt or passage that is provided for you. However, I would definitely suggest trying to keep it within that 10-minute range of 40 minutes. Ideally, just so you know that you have enough time to complete all 3 essays, but also to make sure that you've gone deep enough into each one to produce something that's well thought out. The free response will be worth 55% of your entire AP score and is broken down into 3 kinds of essays. These 3 kinds of essays are first the analytical, second the persuasive, and third the synthesis essay. And we will be discussing all 3 types of these essays in the upcoming videos. For each, I will do one video giving an overview of the essay type, and then another video to break down a specific prompt. Look out for those videos, and thanks for watching. This has been an overview of the AP test for AP Language and Composition.